All right, so here we got a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. It's got a 312Y block in it, all original. The owner of this car is pretty much going to leave it as is. I think he might just clean it and do some clear coat to it. Some basic, maintenance stuff. Make sure the brakes are all good. Very clean. One little spot there that could use some addressing, but other than that, it's still a very beautiful car. So that's pretty cool. Go ahead and fire it up. Take a look at the inside. A little wear on the seat. It's a driver car. Hood liner's not perfect. It's got this wrap-around windshield to it, which is pretty cool. But here's the focus. Let's go ahead and start it. Not sure how many miles are on it. It's probably, sure it's rolled over to over 100,000. Probably not 9,000 original miles, but let's go ahead and pop the hood. Comes up, works good. Sweet. Little spot of rust there. Pretty clean. Take her for a little cruise. Some delaminating in the window a little bit, but right up to the other driveway. that's it for now. I'm gonna go park her, and said pretty much this car is just gonna mostly stay just original, and just be a good cruising car. We can take car shows and just enjoy it.